Hello everybody. Today I have received long-awaited 4.3 size whiteboard from Amazon, which I am going to unbox it before you. There was a lot of confusion whether to choose 6x4 or 4x3, but finally I have decided to purchase 4x3 whiteboard because it is lightweighted, easy to carry from one place to another. Moreover, I cannot say it budget-friendly whiteboard, but still I have purchased it because before I applied for this whiteboard, I searched so many websites in which I found less satisfaction because of the low rating of the customers. As I believe that the quality of the item depends upon the rating of the customers. As I have found 4.3 out of 5 rating for this Pragathi system whiteboard, which is considered to be an above average for any item. So let me unbox it before. So from looking outside, it seems to be well packed in terms of safety of the item, and it is essential too in order to deliver the item to the buyers without having any damage. But still, there are a lot of chances of getting damage of the item while being transferred from one place to another from a long distance. So it is essential to deliver the item without having any damages. So customers will be satisfied. So everyone who wants to become YouTuber looking forward to have the board, either it may be 4.3 or 6x4. That is depend upon their wish. Package seems to be excellent, but still you can see that there are some pinches or damages over the cardboard. But before that, let me check whether the whiteboard is in safe mode or not. Let me remove the whiteboard from the box. So we have to remove the whiteboard very carefully, otherwise there is lot of chances of getting damage because it is so sophisticated and a very soft surface. So we have to take care of this while removing the whiteboard from box. Dear friends, here it is Pragathi system whiteboard 4.3 size presented over here. It has a good quality surface with aluminium frame with the solid clips from which you can hang to the wall, either it may be vertical or horizontal as per your convenience. Expert says that 6x4 whiteboard is quite comfortable and suitable for making video, especially for teachers and trainers. But I have chosen for this 4.3 size whiteboard because I am a beginner YouTuber. So I want to contribute my students my level best. I will purchase 6x4 whiteboard in upcoming days. For that I need your support. I have been eagerly looking forward to conducting classes for my beautiful friends. For that, I need your support. So, please support me by subscribing to my channel English with Charan, and that makes me a lot. Thank you.